Hi guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from a Chinese plastic model company, XIAOT. And this is your special maneuver armored walker CAT-01 or the SMAW CAT-01. So I think this came from a Chinese anime or manga where it features a mecha suit that looks like cats, and it's my first time to see this kind of mecha model that resembles a humanoid cat. See, from its head it looks like a cat. So kasi ang common naman na nakikita natin is mostly human form of mecha model like mga Gundams and other stuff from Kotobukiya and Modoroid, mga ganong klaseng designs. But this one is different. Instead of having yung parang Gundam or other mecha face, this resembles a cat. Even the legs, it resembles the hind legs of cats. See, ang galing oh. May claws, diba? Yung sa paws niya, may yung sharp nails ng pusa. So, this is one of the protagonist kit from that Chinese anime, and actually they are three. The other one is the yellow one, and the other one's the red one, and they have specialized skills or techniques, something like that. So this is a ninja cat, meaning this is specialized in stealth and melee combat. So what can we see about the features of this cat is this model kit here is made of not ABS but POM plastic. So this is a bit stronger than ABS and polystyrene plastic. And I remember building one of kit from Power Rangers, the Megazord, from Flame Toys, and even the Transformer kits. They're made of POM plastic, and they're quite sturdy, very strong plastic. But by the way, as I observed, the POM plastic tends to grease up. So parang nagano siya, nagsesebo. And at first, yung ibang joints dito or like these parts here are very stiff. Ang hirap ikabit nung una, pero as time goes by and humidity goes on, of course, here in the Philippines, it tends up to, ayan, naglulus na kaagad siya. Yung mga dating may hirap ikabit, ngayon ang dali na lang maalis. Kasi I think that's the property, and based on my observation, the property of POM plastic tends to grease up. So parang magsesebo, at the same time magluluwag na yung mga connectors niya. So correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not that a plastic expert, but this is based on my observation. And let's go with the features of this kit here. We got here a cat head. So ang laki ng head niya, hindi siya ganun ka-proportion sa kanyang torso. Actually, parang mas malaki pa konti yung head niya kumpara sa torso. And the hands or the limbs, the upper limbs are a bit shorter compared if you're going to analyze the ratio. Parang hindi siya di proportion yung laki ng arms niya to the head. And kasi nga pusa siya, di ba? Hindi siya humanoid form. Mostly cat feature siya, which is very nice. Ang cute nga eh. Actually, ang cute tingnan. Then the legs here, talagang yun siya, yung parang cat hind legs niya. Naka-curve dito sa thigh. Then dito may parang curve ganun, pa ganun, diba? Tapos yung claws niya, yung paws, ang galing. Ito yung parang niya, parang attack mode claw, pero you can fold this into the normal yung non-attacking claws niya. Ayan, galing. So parang neutral pose, which is very nice. I really like this. Isa to sa mga cool features niya, yung claw na to. Gusto ko yan eh. Okay, let's go with the articulation of this kit. The head can rotate 360 degrees. By the way, this is ball jointed head. Yung connection is a neck. Can do this kind of movement, raise up, look down, something like that. And dito sa kanyang shoulders, yung shoulder armor niya medyo stiff, pero it can raise up to this high. Also the other one, pero be careful with this. I might put some glue on this one now because this is really loose. Before, this very tight. 1 year ago, that was 1 year ago, and now it's getting greased up and loosened down. Okay, so the arms can rotate 360 degrees. The elbows can bend up to this far. So ang ganda, oh. So super bend ng kanyang elbow. And the hands, I changed the stock hands into the MGEX Chinese model hands, which is yung pang ano to pang master grade strike freedom MGEX na hands. But I tried using it here kasi ang ganda. Gusto ko yung kulay, tsaka saktong-sakto yung ball and socket niya dun. So ayan, so ganyan siya. Okay, so this articulated hands, by the way. And yep, that's it. Then sa waist niya, you can rotate like this. Ayan, pero syempre merong harang dito sa side na to, so hindi mo ma-rotate 360 degrees. You can bend like this also. Ayan, pwede siyang mag movement ng ganyan yung torso, so it can move around and around. So very articulated siya, talagang good for agility poses or agile poses. For the legs, it can kick up to this far sa front kicks. Back kicks, wait, alisin natin muna tong sword niya para yan. Okay, back kicks can kick up to this far. Okay. Also, the knees, kakaiba yung knees niya. So parang sa pusa nga. It can bend up to this far, also up to that far. But, of course, it should be like this. Yung parang sa pusa na pose, diba? Ganyan. Then, dito sa kanyang toes, or yung paws niya, it has ball joints, and ganyan siya. Ito yung armor niya dito. Foot armor, or paw armor. Ganyan. And, wala siyang toe bend, kasi flat, ano siya, yung parang blocky siya, ganyan. It can release the claw or the sharp nails like this. So ganyan siya, angas. So yun yung gusto ko dito, yung gusto kong feature. Dati napaka-higpit netong because of the humidity. It affects the POM integrity. So nagkakaroon ng greasing sa bawat joint. So that's what I observed in POM plastics. Okay. So now ayan, magiging punggok siya. Pwede siyang maging punggok like this. Okay. Or pwede rin siyang tumangkad if you're just going to adjust the dito. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust para medyo tumangkad siya. Ayan. Okay. See. Ayan, medyo matangkad na siya. Also, it can rotate dito sa may thigh part. It can do thigh rotation. Okay, let's talk about the armaments. So, it has so many arms like this main cutters here, cutters claw. You can remove that by simply pulling the peg there. You can remove, but unfortunately, I don't like to remove it because To be honest, it's very hard to apply because of this curvature here. So very hard. So hindi ko naalisin. So ganyan na lang siya. And one thing I observed when you're building this, be careful when cutting these edges here because natapyasan ko siya parehas. Both arms here, natapyasan ko kasi masyadong dikit yung kanyang screws, yung sa tree ng kanyang knob. So, nung pinutol ko, masyadong nakat ko ng sobra. And the POM plastic tends to crack down. So, be careful with that. And one more thing is be careful when applying or putting these joints. Nung una kasi, it tends to sobrang sikip niya. So, what I did is finorced ko. Pero, yun nga, ang hirap i-move talaga nito, promise. Sobrang hirap i-move nung una. But, thankfully, yung property ng POM is, yun nga, nag-grease up from long time. So, ayan. Yung mahirap i-move ngayon, madali na lang siya ngayon. Nag-loosen up. Yun lang. And, weapons. By the way, it has a tail. But unfortunately, it should have a wire inside. But yung nakuha ko, yung binigay sa akin, walang bakal sa loob. That's why yung tail niya parang putotoy na baksak. Putotoy na di na tumitigas. So it should be having a wire inside to sana nakaganyan, nakapost na ganyan. So wala eh. Na-scam ako dun sa tail. Anyway, it's okay. I have here the weapons. We got shurikens, rather kunai. So these kunais, you can remove it individually. So be careful lang. Kasi medyo loose itong part na to, yung sa blades niya. Ito. Sobrang loose yung blade na to. So, yan. I don't like applying glue because it has so many gimmicks. Like, meron yung kunai na magkaka-connect and then you just need to remove this and ipalit dun sa ibang gimmicks niya. Fortunately, I cannot see na wala ko yata yung ibang interconnecting kunais niya, yung mga interchangeable kunais niya na wala ako eh. Hindi ko na makita. Ayun. So, ayun, no, loose siya. Okay. But if you don't like those interchangeable kunai handles, you might put some glue on this one to make it permanent kunai. And you can apply it anywhere you like here, dito sa may gilid na to. Pwede mo ikabit siya dyan. Pwede mo rin ikabit dito. Yan. And you can also put here sa sides. Dito. You can put the kunais here. Also here. Ayan. So, pwede siyang marami siyang kunai kabit dito. Ayan. And then, oops, tanggal. Anyway, basta pwede mo siyang kabit yan dyan. Anyway, yun, tanggal na. The other weapon are the sword. We got short sword and long sword. Ayan. So, ayan, mahirap lang alisin. You need to ganyan. Parang uga-ugain mo lang siya. Okay. That's it. Okay. And this part here, you can also apply there if you like. Or I prefer to put it here at the back para hindi siya istorbo. Pero right now, it's already sobrang dumulas na nga because of the greasing up. And that's it. You can hold it easily dito sa may interchangeable hands, or what do you call this, articulated hands, kasi magana lang naman ito. Actually, matatanggal na. So magaan lang naman siya. Kaya kayang-kaya siyang okay, and now he can hold the sword. So let's have a quick size comparison. I have here Master Grade Gundam 100, Gundam Wing Proto Zero, and yep, they have the same height. And I have here the regular or the average size Master Grade Gundam. This is the Gundam G05. Of course, Gundam G05 is a bit taller than the small CAT-01. So let's compare it with the other model kits here. I have here a 172 scale Galleon from Panzer World Galleon. This is from Wave Company, and yep, they are almost the same height of the Galleon. And I have here 172 scale Ambient from Kotobukiya. There they are almost the same height. So I based the height until the tip of the ears, and we got the no grade here, no grade Valimar the Ashen Knight, and yep, they're almost the same size. And I got here a high grade kit, the 172 scale. This is Sakugan, okay, Big Tony, and of course small CAT-01 is bigger than Big Tony. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this review of small CAT-01 from Shopee, and see you next time for my other model kit reviews. Goodbye, God bless, take care, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat.